Brandon and I come to talk to you today on November 17th, 2012 to show you our 6 energy transfers exhibited in our Rube Goldberg. Thank you for watching.
To start off, we're going to put ice in the funnel, which will melt and drop into the cup, and then as the cup gets heavier, it'll hit this ball off and it'll hit it down the slope, it'll fall into the tube, and then it'll hit a switch on a power strip. That'll turn on the fan, or the hair dryer, and then it'll blow off this little block of wood, which will pull up this balloon filled with baking soda. That'll drop into the vinegar, and it'll be a chemical reaction, which will blow up the balloon, and then once it gets big enough, it'll hit the pin, which will pop the balloon. Energy transfer, we had a solar calculator sitting under a heat lamp so that we could have light energy to electric energy. The silicon in the solar cells absorbs the light and transforms it into electricity.
The second energy transfer, we kick cats. Just kidding! For our second energy transfer, we had a heat lamp melt ice. As the ice warms, the molecules move faster and faster. The molecules cannot stay stuck to each other as the ice warms up. This is when the melting happens. Third energy transfer, we had mechanical to mechanical. As the ice slowly melts, the water trickles down into the cup. The cup is rested on a fulcrum, which will overcome the ball's weight that is rested on a slope. The finger on the fulcrum will slowly tap the ball rolls down the slope.
As the ball rolls down the slope, this leads us to our fourth energy transfer, electrical to mechanical. So the ball rolls down, falls into the tube, and hits the switch. This switch sends electricity into the motor in the hair dryer, which is connected to a fan. As the fan starts spinning, it pulls in air from the back of the hair dryer and blows it out the tube in the hair dryer. The block is blown off the table by the hair dryer. It pulls down on a pulley which pulls up a balloon which is connected to a bottle. The balloon drops baking soda, which is a base, into the vinegar, which is an acid. When a base and acid are combined, they create a chemical reaction which creates carbon dioxide bubbles, which blows up the balloon. For our fifth energy transfer, we had sound to electric. As the balloon gets bigger, as it expands, it gets popped by the pin. This sound travels to the circuit board of the clap-on light, which sends electricity to the light to light the light.
To conclude Brandon and I's Rube Goldberg presentation, we'd like to show you the shop in which we worked. Oh. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Brandon and I's Rube Goldberg project.